Multiply and divide with different signs. When you're multiplying a positive number by a negative number, it is negative. The reverse is also true. When you multiply a negative number by a positive number, it is also negative. This is the same rule for division. Example 1. Solve for the following. We have 15 divided by negative 5. So anytime we have a positive number and a negative number, our answer is going to be negative. So 15 divided by 5 is 3, but it's going to be negative, so it's just negative 3. So 15 divided by negative 5 equals negative 3. So let's do another example. Example 2, solve for the following. We have negative 21 divided by 3. So we have a negative number being divided by a positive number. So our answer will be negative. So 21 divided by 3 is 7, but it's negative. So we have negative 7 as our solution. Let's look at one more example. So here we have 3 times negative 8. So we have a positive and a negative number. This means our solution will be negative. So 3 times 8 is equal to 24, but our solution is going to be negative, so it's negative 24. Now let's do one final example. Example 4. Solve negative 17 times 4. So because we have a negative number and then a positive, our solution will be negative. So we will go 17 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28, so put an 8 below. Carry the 2. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2 is 6. Then this is negative, so we have our solution then as negative. So our solution is negative 68.